Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the GPS powered and ready. Find the unit, insert a battery, and attach the antenna so signal bars appear. This matters because without a lock, you'll drift. Once done, open your map and set a waypoint or copy the grid coordinates. Write them down if needed. Make sure to mark any nearby landmark too. It helps when satellite lock fluctuates. Now head out and keep the device on. That's the only way it can guide you reliably. You need a stable satellite lock before relying on readings. Stand in an open field and wait for the accuracy radius to shrink. Once the device reports a small radius, check your waypoint and note the bearing. This gives you a heading to follow. Walk steady, using the compass and distance meter together, and adjust if the accuracy worsens. If buildings or canopy interfere, move to clearer ground. That reduces drift and keeps your path precise as you progress toward the target. You'll know you've arrived when the GPS coordinates match the waypoint and nearby landmarks confirm the position. Don't assume the distance readout alone. If the device loses lock, power cycle it, swap batteries, and step into open sky to force a resync. This usually restores accuracy quickly. Make sure to cross-check with your map and compass as a backup, because gameplay and terrain can confuse the unit. If problems persist, replace the antenna or find a safer open.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.